Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be doing a huge fashion haul, so go ahead and subscribe. And first we're going to get into this Forever 21 skirt. It was only $11, and I don't believe it's on sale or anything. It's just a cute little pencil skirt I found. They say don't do horizontal stripes, but I like horizontal stripes on myself because it gives me a little bit more of illusion of voluptuous curves. So yeah, that's why I'm feeling myself a little bit in this video. It's fitting just right, and it's also very comfortable. Normally I would pair an outfit like this with a belt, but I couldn't find one, and the top is thrifted. Sorry guys, I needed something to pair it with, and most of my clothes are thrifted. So now these cute little affordable comfortable heels are from TJ Maxx. They were only $21, and I know they have these little buckle straps in the front, but that's just for show. They actually zip up in the back, and I love these heels. They're very comfortable, and I look for heels that kind of secure my feet in place, and these are perfect. Next we have this cute skirt I got from Ross for only $6. It was on the clearance rack, and it's just like a knee-length pencil skirt. It's distressed, and on top the cover-up is from TJ Maxx, and I got this for $10. I believe this was on sale as well. I just really loved how it drapes on the arm and also how it looks in the back. It's very cute, and I could see myself wearing this when it gets a little bit colder outside. And the cami I have underneath is actually from Forever 21, and it was only $2. I got these leopard platform heels from It's Fashion Metro for only $20. That's another place that usually has really cute heels for cheap. I can't say they're always comfortable, but they're definitely cute. I was drawn to these in particular because they were leopard. Leopard will spice up any outfit, and I can't wait to wear them. Next up are these very cool navy blue and white striped drawstring pants. They are very breezy, very light, perfect for spring, summer. They can be dressed up or dressed down. I recently wore them with heels and like a dressy top, and they looked fabulous. I love them, and honestly they're great for like a last minute outfit if you're just looking for something to just throw on real quick. So next I'm coming through with some wide-legged olive pants, and they're from Ross, only $13. They are so cute. I was looking for some wide leg pants, and when I came across these I was just like, yes. And also the price was just like amazing. Every time I see wide leg pants, they tend to be a little expensive. That's why I hadn't had any, but these were perfect. They have a stretch waist, but they also come with a cute little belt that I tied in a bow right there. Here we go with another pair of platform sandals from It's Fashion Metro. I feel like these are 90s inspired, and I love them because they're cute enough to dress up with, but they're comfortable at the same time. Now I can't lie, these are probably my favorite out of the whole bunch. These are some straight leg trousers that have like suspenders on them, almost like a jumpsuit. I love these so much. I wore them to church yesterday, and I got so many compliments on them. They were too tight for me at first, but I've been going to the gym, so they fit me a little looser, and I actually really like that. When I first saw these, obviously I was immediately drawn to them, and I looked at the price and they were only $13. Like literally, if they would have had one in 15 colors, I probably would have got one in every color. I love these, in case you didn't notice. Another one of my favorites is this jumpsuit from Ross. It was only $16, and I'm in love. Like, I love the little keyhole in the back, and the front is like a deep V. I had to put like a little cami underneath it because I ain't about that life. But it's very light, and it's very summery. Like, I think it's perfect for the summer. I paired it with these heels that I got from a boutique that I can't remember the name of at the moment, but they match up perfectly. It's like denim heels as well. And yeah, I just love jumpsuits right now, so this is right up my alley. I also really appreciate the pockets and the fact that it's a stretch waist, perfect for a jumpsuit. Next up is this long black cover up, and it almost could double as a dress, as you can see here. All I have underneath is a cami and leggings, and like it really could be a dress if you keep it like tied up in the front. It also can be worn open, and you can wear it like on top of a dress or just pants, outfit, just anything. Like, I feel like this could go with so much. It's very versatile, and it does exactly what it says it's gonna do, cover up, but like in a very stylish way. It's like so dramatic. I love it. And the shoes, once again, are from It's Fashion Metro. They are really cute flower lace up booties, and they have the toes out and the heel out, and they are just so adorable. Like, I just had to get them. They were on sale for $25. The last few items were clothing that were sent to me from everything5pounds.com. Everything on the website is 5 pounds, which is around $6.30 in US dollars. If you would like to buy anything that you see here or on the website, you can use my discount code LaVitaRosa5. The first item is a long cardigan, and it's like a very soft pink and black color. I love the pattern. The pattern is very cute, and on top of that, the way it drapes on you is like perfect for if you want to wear it on a casual day, or if you want to dress it up and, you know, have it look a little bit more fancy. I feel like it would be great for both. Next up, we have wide leg chinos, and these are in navy blue, and they come with a navy blue and white striped little belt that I tied into a bow right there. I love the looseness of the pants. That loose fit is on purpose. I like pants like these because I'm not always looking for form fitting. Sometimes I want loose and breezy and just like a cool little thing to wear in hot weather, and these are perfect. Now, these sandals that I'm wearing aren't from Everything 5 Pounds. They're from TJ Maxx, and I got them for $19, and I really love them. They're not too tall. They're perfect for like every day, and yeah, I just really like these. I never thought I would wear sandals like these, but they're actually very comfortable and cute at the same time. The last item of this video are these cute royal blue harem pants, and I've never owned a pair of harem pants before, and that just made me want to get these even more. They're very cute. They're slightly see-through, so I think I might have to put on a little something underneath them, but they're still cute and fun nonetheless, and they have a drawstring around the waist. And I forgot to do a close-up on the sandals, but I got the sandals from TJ Maxx, and they're like knockoff Birkenstocks basically. They were only $20. They're so cute. They're my new everyday sandal. I literally wear them every day, and I love them. So that was that for this fashion haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been a long time coming. I asked Instagram a long time ago, did they want me to do a fashion lookbook? I recorded it, and then I accidentally deleted it, and so I had to re-record it. But honestly, I feel like this video is so much better than the first one, so I'm not even mad. Make sure you check out Everything 5 Pounds down below. Use my discount code, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.